Good morning, it's another beautiful day. Welcome to another exciting episode of the unboxing of consoles. Right, today we have got the Xbox One X. It is the latest addition to the Xbox family. Number 4, I think it is, when you've got original Xbox 360, Xbox One, and then the Xbox One S. So this is the baby. Very expensive, very expensive. But as you can see, the box is big. Same size. Oh, there we go. Same size as Gears of War. Got all that stuff on the table. I don't know. Right. Anyway, let's get on to this. Okay. Standard setup, as we can see, for the console. Velcro and a box. Right, so open the box. We'll open the box in a second. Right. As you can see, very light. That is a very light. So we're going to box. Free game, Far Cry 5. Not even played 4. What else we got in here? He says, I think that's the instructions. We'll have a look at that in a sec. That's the box. That's the box now empty. And he's opened it upside down. How many times do people do that? Okay, let's have a look at this. Usual. Here we go. Controller, HDMI. Is that it? And power. So in that box, and instructions. So in that box alone, we've got power, HDMI, and the controller. Standard opening procedures. They've got sellotape on either side. Folded it up very nicely. Last bit of sellotape there. And there it is. That's the big boy himself. Now at the back, this is what it's got. This is what everyone's on about with the back. So what's it got? We've got the power source. We've got HDMI in to out to TV, in from a satellite cable, 2 USB ports. We never knew what that was for. Audio 1, Ethernet cable, the original Xbox X, and product date 23rd of September last year. That was made. So it's not that. So it's old, really. Yeah, not that bad. But as you can see, it's not that bad. Not that bad at all. Now, here we go with controller. Is it a standard controller? Yes. There we go. Just the same controller as the other. And we also got Duracell batteries. And we got the game. We've also got this. 14-day code for Xbox Live Gold. Game Pass. 1 month free for the Game Pass. And instructions of what goes where. Fantastic. Okay, thank you very much for watching. It's very much appreciated. Almost at 50 subscribers. I cannot believe I've nearly got to 50 subscribers. But there you go. That is the Xbox One X as seen on my channel. Thank you very much. Click yes, like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next week for another episode. We've got to do some more. I've got a couple more unboxings. I've got a nice surprise for everyone. All right, see you soon. Bye bye.